Have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something, or that if you could just get your wishes clear, everything you're striving for would come your way much faster? Today, we're looking into how the universe responds to your intentions and the principles of manifesting your desires quickly. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about how you can actively engage with the cosmos to see real results in your life. Let's unfold the secrets to speeding up your manifestation process, ensuring you understand the essential principles that need to be aligned in your journey towards achieving your dreams. Manifestation is a term that often floats around discussions of self-improvement and personal development. But what does it really mean to manifest something? At its core, manifestation is about turning your hopes and dreams into reality through the power of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It involves a clear picture of what you want to achieve, followed by a series of steps that align your mental, emotional, and physical energies with your desires. The process of manifestation isn't magical, though it may sometimes feel that way. It's grounded in the law of attraction, a belief that suggests like attracts like in the universe. This law posits that positive thoughts will naturally attract positive outcomes, whereas negative thoughts might lead to unwanted outcomes. The key here is that your mind acts almost like a magnet, pulling your experiences in alignment with your most dominant thoughts. To start manifesting, you need to be clear about your goals. This clarity involves not just knowing what you want, but also understanding why you want it and how achieving this goal will improve your life. Clarity cuts through the noise and confusion of everyday desires and zeroes in on your most genuine aspirations. Once your intentions are as sharp as a laser beam, you can begin to focus your energies on drawing these desires into your reality. Energy alignment is crucial in the manifestation process. Think of yourself as a radio tower, constantly sending out signals into the universe. If these signals are strong and clear, the universe is more likely to respond in kind. But if your energy is scattered or negative, it may be difficult to attract the outcomes you desire. Aligning your energy involves several practices that ensure your mental, emotional, and physical states are conducive to receiving the universe's bounty. Meditation is one of the most effective tools for this alignment. By meditating, you calm your mind, reduce stress, and generate positive emotions. These practices help you connect with your inner self, the quiet voice within that knows what you truly desire. Additionally, mindfulness can play a significant role in energy alignment. Being mindful means staying fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. This awareness helps you maintain an energy field around you that is attuned to your manifestation goals. It's essential to monitor the kind of energy you entertain and radiate. Surround yourself with positive influences, people, environments, and experiences that uplift and inspire you. The energies you interact with daily will influence the strength and clarity of your signals. By ensuring these interactions are positive, you align yourself more closely with the frequencies of the outcomes you hope to manifest. Once your energy is aligned, the next critical step in manifesting quickly is establishing a clear and unwavering intention. Clarity of intention acts as a beacon for the universe, signaling exactly what you wish to manifest. To clarify your intentions, you must define not only what you want, but also detail the outcome you expect. This specificity helps prevent the common pitfall of ambiguous desires, which can lead to mixed results and frustrations. Start by writing down your goals in a precise, concise manner. For instance, rather than saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success looks like to you. Does it mean getting a promotion, launching your own business, or perhaps achieving a personal milestone? The more detailed you can be, the better. This exercise of writing helps crystallize your thoughts and serves as a constant reminder of what you are working toward. Another aspect of setting clear intentions involves aligning these goals with your values and larger life purpose. This alignment ensures that your desires resonate deeply with your personal truth and are not merely influenced by fleeting emotions or external pressures. When your intentions are a true reflection of your inner self, the universe is more capable of understanding and meeting your requests. Belief is the engine behind the power of manifestation. It fuels your ability to see possibilities where others see impossibilities. Strengthening your belief in the possibility of achieving your desires is fundamental. This belief tells the universe that you are ready and open to receive. Doubts and skepticism, on the other hand, can cloud your mind and act as barriers to the manifestation process. To build a strong belief, you must regularly affirm your capabilities and the likelihood of your success. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to counteract negative thoughts and bolster your confidence. For example, instead of thinking, "I hope I can achieve this," affirm, "I am capable of achieving my goals through my actions and beliefs." Visualization is another powerful tool to enhance your belief system. Spend time each day visualizing yourself having already achieved your goals. See yourself living the life you've dreamed of, feeling the emotions associated with your success. This mental rehearsal primes your brain to accept these visions as achievable realities, thus increasing your overall belief and expectancy. Belief is not static, it requires nurturing. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, watering and weeding regularly, you must tend to your beliefs. Feed them with positive thoughts, shield them with affirmations, and nurture them through visualization. A strong belief system not only supports manifestation, but also transforms the way you perceive challenges and opportunities in your life. Maintaining emotional alignment is essential as you navigate the journey of manifestation. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your current energetic alignment and can either propel you towards your desires or keep you from reaching them. Positive emotions such as joy, excitement, and love signal that your energy is in harmony with your aspirations, while negative emotions like fear, doubt, and frustration suggest misalignments that need to be addressed. To achieve emotional alignment, it is important to cultivate an environment that fosters positive feelings. This can be achieved through daily practices such as engaging in activities that bring you joy, spending time in nature, or practicing self-care rituals that elevate your mood. It's also vital to manage stress effectively, as chronic stress can create an emotional and energetic barrier to manifestation. Practicing mindfulness can help you become more aware of your emotional state. By observing your feelings without judgment, you can start to understand what your emotions are telling you about your alignment with your manifesting goals. If negative emotions arise, use them as cues to reassess what may be out of balance in your thoughts, beliefs, or actions, and make the necessary adjustments to realign yourself. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can significantly speed up the manifestation process. By focusing on what you are thankful for, you shift your energy from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility. This shift not only improves your mood and overall well-being, but also signals to the universe that you are ready to receive more blessings. To integrate gratitude into your daily routine, start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 things you are grateful for. These can be as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal, or meaningful progress toward your goals. The key is to genuinely feel the gratitude as you reflect on these blessings, allowing the positive energy to permeate your being. Another way to cultivate gratitude is through the practice of gratitude affirmations. These are positive statements that express thankfulness and appreciation. Regularly affirming what you are grateful for helps to reinforce the feeling of abundance in your life, attracting more of what you appreciate and desire. By consistently practicing gratitude, you create a fertile ground for your dreams to take root and flourish. Manifesting isn't just about setting intentions and aligning your emotions. It also requires action, but not just any action, inspired action. This is action that feels natural and exciting, driven by your inner guidance rather than pressure or obligation. It is the kind of action that feels right and reaffirms your path towards your goals. To identify and take inspired action, listen closely to your intuition. This might be a spontaneous idea that comes to you during meditation or a recurring thought that brings a sense of excitement. These are signs pointing you towards the next steps to take. It's important to trust these insights and act on them without delay, as they are direct messages from the universe designed to guide you on your path. Inspired action should not feel forced. It should be enjoyable and energizing, not draining. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed or stressed by the actions you are taking, it might be time to reassess and realign your approach. True inspired action moves you closer to your goals with a sense of purpose and joy. Patience is a crucial component of the manifestation process. Often things don't happen as quickly as we would like or in the way we expect them to. This is where patience comes in. Understanding and accepting the universe's timing can help alleviate frustration and maintain focus on your end goals without losing faith. To cultivate patience, remind yourself that everything happens in its perfect time. The universe's timing is impeccable. It aligns opportunities and events in a sequence that is most beneficial for your growth and success. Trusting this timing can be challenging, but it is essential for allowing your manifestations to unfold naturally. Use any waiting periods as opportunities to refine your vision or build upon your current strategies. This can involve deepening your knowledge, skills, or emotional intelligence, all of which can contribute to a more robust foundation for your desires to manifest. Patience combined with proactive growth keeps you engaged and open to receiving, ensuring that when opportunities do come, you are fully prepared to seize them. Even with the best laid plans and most positive intentions, setbacks are a natural part of any journey, including the journey of manifestation. Instead of viewing these setbacks as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and refine your approach. Each challenge presents a chance to strengthen your resolve and clarify your desires. When faced with setbacks, first take a step back and reassess. Ask yourself, what can this situation teach me? How can I adjust my strategy to better align with my goals? This reflective approach helps prevent the recurrence of similar obstacles and empowers you to move forward with greater wisdom. Maintain a resilient mindset. Resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks faster and keeps you focused on your goals despite the challenges that come your way. Cultivating resilience involves staying committed to your goals and believing in your ability to achieve them, regardless of the hurdles. While we conclude, I encourage you to begin applying these principles today. Start with one small step, perhaps meditating on your goal, writing down your intentions, or simply expressing gratitude for what you already have. Whatever action you choose, let it be a step towards aligning your energy with the universe and paving the way for your desires to manifest. Share your progress, thoughts, and insights in the comments below or connect with us on social media. Your journey towards manifestation is unique, and each step you take is worth celebrating.